Hey, Train!
Yeah, that was a great effect.
Right. Heck yeah.
A-Train is back.
Ooh. Wow.
Entrance like X-Men.
You can see him.
What?
He's chasing him! It's over for him!
Who's the fast, Superman or Flash?
Flash.
No way.
Oh, no way.
He came!
A-Train came. He's got to be faster than Homelander.
Who's he
at this
gonna go
point.
help now? Like, what do you do?
Oh, it's mid-laser.
Come on, let's go, baby.
This is sick.
Oh!
Wow, this is like a flash sequence. It's cool that we got one of these from A-Train.
I would have thought the laser would be first. Oh, I got him.
Boom.
Oh, shit.
You're not quick enough.
What did he just do? Wait, they
Was
just escaped?
that Homelander chasing him? I thought it was...
Yeah, I thought it was him running away.
That's why they got this time. Yeah, I thought it was A-Train doing 2 laps, but that makes sense. The second one was Homelander.
A-Train. Okay. Okay. Do something. Be fast. Be fast, boy. Right. Heck yeah. Fair. I love the fact that they actually show how fast he is. Ew. He glazed him. He grazed his shoulder. Bye. Oh shit. Oh, he's gonna be bait. A-Train.
This shit's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, this almost feels like a finale. Like,
Yeah. He made it. Oh my god. Yes!
let's fucking go.
Pulling the pins on the grenades are so funny.
It's like, what the fuck, dude?
Fuck.
Okay.
A-Train.
Oh, you about to kill Hughie.
Yeah, I think he was about to die.
Yeah, I think it's GG's.
Oh,
A-Train, that was wrong.
Yeah, you pulling a fox?
Oh, yeah, A-Train's gonna die.
No, he's gonna save
You have
Hughie.
a heart attack.
Oh,
that was
shit.
wrong.
Yeah, they're doing the
Yeah, they're doing
Quicksilver
the
shit.
fox. Yep. Oh, that hit him.
Oh shit! That's what he did.
He
You
took
didn't
the
see
pin
that?
out his
Okay.
You didn't see when he did that?
Oh, go.
Oh, I'm out of speed.
Oh, okay.
You can see him.
No!
Oh my gosh, are we killing Hughie? What?
A-Train's back.
Ooh. Wow.
Entrance like X-Men.
Yeah.
Quicksilver.
Yeah. Woo, let's go. Yep. Very
I mean,
much
this is
Quicksilver.
literally Quicksilver.
Yeah.
Yeah. Just without the pop music, I guess.
Yeah. Woo! Oh! Ooh.
shit, run.
Damn.
Uh-oh. Grab him and get out. Grab him and get out. Oh no, he can move fast too. Ah, shit. Shit. Oh no, he can catch up. He can catch up for sure. He can catch up for sure. Oh no.
Oof. He uses his full
he
name.
does care about Hughie.
Yeah. Hey, Train!
Yeah, that was a great effect. That was sick.
Yeah.
Oh, what a shot. Assess.
Quicksilver. Oh, yeah, this is sick.
Quicksilver
Damn. Whoa. Got his glasses. Full circle with Hughie.
Yeah.
Yeah, he's doing his old Quicksilver. Oh my god, fun! Oh my god, let's do it. You're gonna get the R-rated Quicksilver version.
Oh,
shit. Damn, he got clipped. Nice. Oh, nice, dude. Yeah.
Season 1, Episode 1. Season 5, Episode 1.
Oh, shit. Yeah. What a full circle.
Julian! Oh no. Oh, train. Ooh. Man, this is the first time we've actually seen this, right? Seeing his POV when he's running. Oh, A-Train is on the business. Ooh. Yeah, this is the first time we're seeing this shot. This slow-mo shot. It's like, ooh, what the hell is that? Oh my god. He got in my bed on the shoulder. Julian!
Oh, fuck.
Whoa. Oh, A-Train is here.
No way.
He showed up. Let's go,
Hell
dude.
yeah.
That's so cool how he sees everything.
Please don't die. I'm so scared. Because I really love his character arc.
He was going to kill Hughie right then and
Yeah.
there. The laser's already on the way.
Nice.
Oh, great.
I love sequences like this when you have a character that, you know, whose power is super speed.
Mm-hmm. Oh, he got hit still. Kaboom.
Oh. Nice.
French hit the van.
Oh, such a badass.
Oh, with the save.
Oh.
All slow motion for him. We haven't seen this yet.
Slow motion
We
for
have,
me.
they're doing the Days of Future Past thing.
Fucking Homelander burger. Oh, he's shooting.
Hey, we got the gazes on.
Why do you have him on the whole time?
Oh, he's saving Hughie.
This is so
Yes.
so Silver. What's his name?
Days of Filter Pass. Quicksilver.
Is always so fun.
He's like, what the hell is that? God, it's still
Oh
so
my
fast.
god!
It's the speed of light, right?
Oh, he got hurt.
singed.
He got hurt.
It's just his arm, not his legs.
Run, A-Train.
Oh shit!
What a role reversal.
Bro, you can't be here now.
Go! Run!
He's
Run! Run!
Oh, he did the Superman thing. You saw?
Oh no!
What?
He's chasing him! It's over for him!
Who's the fast? Superman or Flash?
Flash.
Oh, fast!
He's fuck yes, A-Train.
Oh,
he's
shit.
gotten fast. Okay.
Sweet. Dude, I hope it all works out.
We are watching the boys.
Yeah.
The hell?
Oh no!
Damn, he got hurt.
gosh, A-Train. He really wants A-Train.
Whoa. Whoa. A-Train. Oh, thank you for showing up. Yeah, boy. Oh my god, I love this. I love this so much. Yeah. He's like, what the fuck? Say, oh shit. Damn. Oh god, I don't want him to die. Got him to get out of there.
Oh. A-Train made it.
It's fantastic.
Oh, I love when we're in like
A-Train mode?
Yeah. This is just like the scene from one of the X-Men movies. He's like, what the fuck is that? Oh, shit.
Oh, he got hurt.
Oh! Uh-oh. Uh-oh. He abandoned this whole thing to go get A-Train? A-Train can't outrun Homelander.
No, 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 no! No!
Oh.
Woo! Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh, leave. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck.
French hit the van?
Yeah.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
A-Train!
No
Get him out! Let's go. Hughie, get Hughie. Let's go.
Got the goggles on.
Oh,
my God,
okay.
he's
He's
doing
gonna do the flash
Quicksilver?
thing. The Quicksilver thing.
I feel like Homelander is so, like, sharp that... Oh, got him.
Oh, shit. He'd be so mad he betrayed him.
Oh, he just ran. Oh, fuck.
Ah!
He got them all out?
Did he chase him?
No,
He went to go chase A-Train.
No, 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 no. A-Train, yeah! A-Train! Yes, 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 yes. Oh my God. Oh, this is so cool. Oh no. Go get Hughie. Yeah, A-Train. Oh, I hope A-Train doesn't get killed. Oh, this is so cool. Yes, 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 A-Train. I love seeing this. I love when they do things like this in shows and movies where they're just going around. Oh my God, that's crazy. No, no, no. Yeah. Oh, A-Train got a little... Oh no. No, no, no. Don't you dare. Go, A-Train. What are you doing? Yeah. I was like, what the hell?
Oh, hell no.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is so sick. This is so sick.
Oh, I got him. Oh.
Oh!